29 January 2022, Connecticut, snowstorm. Still coming. Let's check our depth meter. What's the depth meter telling us? Oh, it's only at 8 inches. What's 8 inches? You can't even see it snowing. Do you call this snow? What's that down there? Sounds like a plow. Oh, you didn't throw snow on me. I was really surprised. I thought that was coming, but I'll take no snow. Good little path you got cut, love. Little path. It looks like it accumulated another 2 inches since you've been out here. Good times.